Hello students, welcome back. So this is the continuation of the chapter number 5 Adobe Photoshop CC, and if you remember in the last class I have showed you the uses of some tools that are used in Adobe Photoshop, like say type of selection tools like marquee tool and the uses of lasso tool. Along with that I have showed you how to work with the move tool and how to insert the image inside a Photoshop window. Okay, so in today's session we'll go with some more tools, like say what are the uses of magic wand tools, what are the uses of gradient tools, and paint bucket tools. Okay, so let us begin. So this is my Adobe Photoshop window. Okay, first I will take one image. So let me go to the file and click on open option. Okay, so let me choose one of the picture. So let me take the picture of one of the bird here. Okay, and click on open. So you can see that the image of the bird has appeared. Now first I will show you how to work with the magic wand tool. So magic wand tools is especially used to select the adjacent areas of the same color. Means using a magic wand tool, you can select areas with similar colors. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So this is my magic wand tool. So click on the magic wand tool. Okay, now if I click on this particular area, see this particular area has been selected, means it has selected those areas that has a similar color. Now if I try to click on this particular area, you can see that this area has been selected, but this area, the selection from this area has been removed. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to select all those areas that has a similar color. So for that, if you see at the top, you can see that we call this as a new selection. So right now I'm in the new selection position. So just after the new selection, you can see here we got this as a add to selection button. So click on add to selection button. So what will happen is, see this part has already been selected, and if I click on another part, see this part will get selected too along with the already selected part. Okay, so just select those areas from here. Okay, here. So what it will do is it will select all those colors that have a similar intensity. You see now, you can see a dotted area here. This means that this particular offsite area has been selected using a magic wand tool. Okay, you need to be very sure that it is easier to use a magic wand tool if the background color, if the background is of similar color. Okay, but say if you want to select the background with different colors, at that time it becomes little bit difficult to select those areas using the magic wand tool, but I will still show you how that can be done. Okay, now see this particular background area has been selected. Okay, now what I want to do is I just want to select only the birds. Okay, the bird given in the figure. So if you want to select the bird, you have to go to the select tab here, click on the select tab. Okay, and from the drop down menu go and click on inverse. So what is the meaning of inverse? Just the opposite. So if I click on inverse, what will happen? You can see now only the bird, only the edges that are within the bird has been selected. Okay, now what you can do is by using a magic wand tool also you can select the bird. Okay, so in this case just go to the edit. Okay, click on the edit option, click on copy. Okay, again go to edit option, click on paste. So using the move tool, so you can see this is the move tool. Click on the move tool, and by using the move tool you can make a copy of that image. Okay, not only you can make the copy of the image in the same frame, but you can also make the image in another frame. Okay, so let me go to the file and click on new, and let me take the new canvas here. Okay, so let me slightly increase the width of my canvas. Suppose say let me make it 900 pixel, and let me make the height at suppose say 700 pixel. Click on OK. You can see the new window has appeared. So what you need to do now is, I have already copied the image. Go to edit and click on paste here. See, the image has appeared. Now again go to edit, click on paste. See, another image has appeared. Okay, so in this way you can make the copy of an image by using a magic wand tool also. Okay, now let me show you the uses of a gradient tool. Okay, so basically a gradient tool is used to fill an area with a range of colors with different patterns. Okay, so it creates a blend of two or more colors. So first let me take the image. So go to the file, click on open. Okay, so let me take one image, say this board. Again click on open. So the image has appeared here. Now using a magic wand tool, first you need to select those background area, because I'm going to change the background color, okay, with another color. So use the magic wand tool. Okay, and just click here and select those background area. So the magic wand tool will select all those areas that has a similar color combination. Okay, you can see that the whole area, okay, the part of an area that contains the similar color has been selected. Now after this, what you will do is, you need to go to the gradient tool. Okay, so if you see here, let me, okay, this is the gradient tool. Okay, now this tool contains two sub tool. One is the gradient tool and another is the pen bucket tool. So click on the gradient tool. Okay, so at the top you can see the colors here. So click on this color. You can choose, there are different variations of color. You can choose the colors that you want to apply here. Okay, and click on OK button. And what you need to do is simply just press and drag the mouse button in this way. You can see the line has appeared. Release the mouse button, you can see that the background color has been applied. Okay, so we call this as a gradient color. Now again, if you want to change the color, just click on this gradient color box. Okay, choose any of the color you want. You can make some adjustment with the help of the color. Okay, click on OK and just select the mouse button and drag it. You can see you'll get different background. Okay, so actually we call this as a gradient fill. Okay, gradient fill means a blend of two or more colors. Now finally I will show you how to use a paint bucket tool. Okay, so let me go to the file and again open a new image. Okay, say this image, click on open. So the border of the image has appeared. Now again you need to use a magic wand tool. So click on the magic wand tool, and this time I just want to slightly increase the tolerance of the magic wand tool, because you can see the some of the colors are light and some of the colors are deep. Okay, so let me make it something like 40. Okay, the tolerance will be, so let me make the tolerance as 40. Now click inside. Okay, and click all the areas. So you can see that it has selected those areas that has a similar color combination. Okay, now what I will do is, next is I will go to the pen bucket tool. So you know, just now we have used a gradient tool, so this is a gradient tool. Just right click the mouse button. Okay, you can use a pen bucket tool here. So click on the pen bucket tool. So pen bucket tool has been selected. Now if you go down, we call this as a set foreground color. Okay, so you need to click on this set foreground color. So the color has appeared here. Now what you need to do is, you can choose any of the color that you want to apply. Okay, just change the position. So use any of the color and click on OK option. Similarly, just press and drag the mouse button. You can see here the background color has appeared. Okay, so if you want to change this color into another color, again go to the say a set foreground color. Okay, click here. So you can choose any range of the color that you want to apply here. Suppose say a yellow. Click on OK. Just click in the area. You can see that the background color has changed. Okay, so you can use both the tools, that is the gradient tool as well as the paint bucket tool to change the background color of the image. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. So these are some of the tools that are used in the Photoshop. So from the next class I will show you how these tools can be used in the Photoshop window to do different activities. Okay, so this is all in today's class. Thank you, children.